What is up, everybody? Look at here. Got the young man. He's over here wild as ever saying video time, daddy, video time, video time. It's video time, ain't it? It's Danny and Gray's Cards and Toys, as you can tell. We're back. Showcase some more stuff. I actually forgot to show you this the other day, guys. When I was going to Bristol on Friday, I stopped by a local Walmart and bought a box of the 2019 Donruss. Wound up pulling this Cole Whitt Race Day Relics, which is a fire suit piece, not numbered, but still pretty cool. And I actually went to my local card shop today, and the guy, it was very baffling. He said that he did not know where all his wrestling cards nor his race cards went. I said, well, it sounds like to me they kind of got legs and walked off. Don't do that. Turn your head. Go through. Hold on, guys. We got a problem here. Do not do that again. You hear me? You can get stuck. Sorry about that. That's what you call videoing and not cutting anything. Don't do that again, okay? He's trying to stick his head through the seat and got stuck there. Don't do that again, okay? Anyways, he said that all of them got gone, and I'm like, I guess they got legs and walked off. But I did snag a good relic he had in the 25% off bin. I don't even think I paid $1 for this thing, which was a good deal. I think he cut me a good deal because of my troubles where I didn't get to find anything. Then I wound up getting this Godwin Champions Upper Deck card for Ryan Blaney. But what we're really here for... Stop. Sit in your chair. Sit in your chair. Please. Okay, you don't want to do these then, do you? Sit in your chair. I really apologize. We're having a very outburst. We won't open them. I went to Dollar Tree and got us some more wrestling packs. So we're going to crack 10 wrestling packs, ain't we, here? And hopefully we're after a Ronda Rousey rookie card. That's what I'm after, something decent. Somebody that we like. So without further ado, I guess we'll get this thing started. And we will open our first pack. Little man is going to help us here. See if we can get this thing focused on him. You want me to help?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on, guys. We're going to... He needs a little help. Don't bend them. Remember I told you don't bend them. Let's see what we got. Tell me who we got. Wait a minute. Too fast. Tell me who we got. We got Roman Reigns. Bray Wyatt. I don't even know who that is. And Jinder Mahal in the first pack.
Open this one.
We'll open up one of these, the Topps WWE 2018. Now. Hold on. Did he help? I don't know who that guy is either. Look, we got, hold on, Mike Kanellis. He's not, this is his rookie card. Nia Jax. We got Razor. And one of the Singh brothers that helps out Jinder Mahal. Alright, next pack of Heritage here.
So from this camera, and don't see what it is. Well.
Alright, who do we got? Yay, look. We got a John Cena. And we got a Seth Rollins. A Liv Morgan Gold Cup card. And a Nikki Bella. Alright, next pack of the 2018. Let me help you. Grab them. What you got? Look at here. One of the Lucha House Party. Yay, look, we got Kurt Hawkins. That's sweet. I'll probably get this one sent off TTN because I heard. Yes, this is one of the. Ooh, this is really good. Oscar rookie card. Let's pause for a second and get that sleeved up, buddy, before we move on. We're going to sleeve that one because I want to get it protected well. All right. And then who do we got? Ankum in this one. The other half of the brothers. All right, another pack of Heritage. Here. Wait a minute, you're going too fast. You're handing me too many. Got a future star for Kanasis Ono. The Brian Kendrick, which is on 205 Live. Undertaker. And Future Stars Bobby Fish. Not a bad pack. We're still looking for that Ronda Rousey rookie, ain't we? Gosh, if we could pull that. Look! We got the new WWE champion, Kofi Kingston. Wait a minute. Hold on. Hold on, Bubba. We got an error card here. We definitely got us an error. That is Xavier Woods, not Kofi Kingston. I'm going to sleeve this one up too, Gray. Because that's an error. That is definitely not Kofi Kingston. So that was a error card there, buddy. We got Tommaso Ciampa. Shane McMahon. And who else? And Neville. I don't even think he's on the roster anymore. Alright.
Then in this one.
No, baby, we're going to do this one. I'm helping you, remember? Have it? Here. Alright, we got one of the Riot squads. Ruby Riot, Gold Cup. A Tony Nese. Tamina. And I've met this young lady, Mickie James. Still wanting that Rousey.
Wowie.
Yeah, that's what I want. Alright, grab 'em. We got Brian Saxton, which is a ringside announcer.
Chad Gable.
Let's see. Chad Gable, that's right. Billy Kay, which is one of the new call-ups. Ooh, sweet card. Aleister Black.
I got him.
Yeah, that was an awesome card. So far we're doing pretty good, in my opinion. Look, I see Braun Strowman on the back. We got Braun Strowman. Yay.
Beethoven.
What do you say to him?
Boo.
He boos him. He don't like him. Peyton Royce, which is the other half of the Iconics. And Drew McIntyre.
That's ugly.
And our last pack, guys.
Woo, woo, woo.
It's not the Undertaker. Drew McIntyre. We got Montez Ford. It's the first NXT card, so I don't know if there's anything special besides that. Don't be so right. Big Cass. Whoops, almost fell over there. Peyton Royce again. And Shelton Benjamin. So I think overall we did pretty well. We got an error card. That is definitely not Kofi Kingston. And then we got Oscar's rookie. And I think we done pretty good.
I want that.
We're going to put them with our stuff.
No.
We're going to end this because we're at 10 minutes and I don't want to keep filming. All
I
right.
don't want that.
So, look, here's the thing. Tell them thank you for watching.
I want that.
We're not doing that right now. Okay, I'll stop. Well, do you want to listen to Daddy or do you want to stop? Tell them thank you for watching. We're going. Okay. All right, guys. I guess he's not going to cooperate. So, I guess I'll just end it and go ahead and do the outro here. Thank you guys for watching and for keep subscribing. And until next time, this is Danny and Grace Cards and Toys. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. Tell them bye-bye. Alright, he's not going to tell you guys bye. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.